Hey guys, today I'll show you the difference between BONOSS wheel spacers and wheel adapters.
BONOSS wheel spacer and adapters are all made of high-strength aluminum alloy. The quality is guaranteed. Wheel adapters do all the same things as wheel spacers do. However, they can change the bolt pattern and center bore to allow fitting the wheels that are not made for your car. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with active cooling grooves. When the wheels rotate, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow efficiently and continuously inside the wheel spacers to take away the heat. Therefore, it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. In this way, these BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers can improve heat dissipation efficiency and reduce safety risk during driving. A wheel spacer is usually a single piece of aluminum alloy. If the perfect thickness you need is around 3mm to 20mm, we'll recommend wheel spacers. If you choose a wheel spacer, the original bolt is not long enough. You might need these extended wheel bolts. BONOSS extended wheel bolts achieve the ISO standard grade 12.9, which have higher strength than a stock one. Simply slide over your existing wheel hub, secured by a set of new longer wheel bolts.
So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!